Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with some more like local hauls, like little things that I've gotten I didn't want to do a whole video on. You've probably heard me mention I have a bead buddy named Julie, and we go to places around the Phoenix metropolitan area and look at their beads. So one of them, and I've posted in my group tons of pictures from the places that we've gone. So one of the places we went was called Bernie's Beads. I got these really old beads. I can't remember if they're from Afghanistan or if they were Tibetan, but they were fertility beads. I almost didn't get them because of that name, but I really just thought they were really cool, and Julie got them too. So she's already used them in a necklace, but I thought they were really neat. I think they'll be cool spacers. I also got these beads. I actually wanted to buy them in Tucson, but I didn't, and I regretted it ever since. So they had them and I was super excited. It's actually like a mala, but I'm going to take it apart at some point and use the beads. I have these beads in like a resin, like that orange resin. I have them in bone, and I have them in like a bone white, and I think I have some in like brown horn or wood. I can't remember, but I just really loved this red. They had them in tons of different colors. And then I got two more things from that store. Two of these. They're little face pendants. Aren't those cool? And then I also got this good luck charm. So one side has like an elephant, a 4-leaf clover, all good luck signs, a horseshoe. Can't tell what this is right here or what that is, but then an eye. Then this side says good luck. I would probably face this side out, but both sides are pretty cool. So that was it from Bernie's Beads. And then we went next door to a thrift store, and I got a couple things, but they also had these beads, which were $3, which I think that was pretty expensive for a thrift store, but I thought they were so cool. They're originally blue moon beads, and they're that like faux fordite color, or fordite pattern. If you don't know what fordite is, look it up. That's pretty cool. But they're just some kind of dyed stone. And then I also got this baggie of agate beads. For $2. I thought that was pretty cool. And they're really nice. So that was that day shopping. And then I also the next weekend shared pictures of a different store that we went to called Al's Beads and Silver Jewelry, and I haven't been there before, and I'm really upset that I didn't know about this place. But now I do. Unfortunately they don't sell online, so there's no website to give you, no shopping website to give you. But I got some hematite, which I thought these would be really cool spacers. I got 3 of these strands. So some little tubes, and that awesome like mystic oil slick color. These you can't really tell, but they're green and blue, very shiny. Then I got some little cubes. Love those. Next I got this pendant. It's porcelain. It's actually a bead. It's a donut with a bead through it. There we go. But I thought it was really nice. Dark blue, if you can't tell. And then I got these fetish beads. So they had, I think, 4 shapes in this bowl, but I only got 3 of the shapes. So they had little horsies. So I got the horse in ivory, turquoise, and brown. Oh, I got it in 4 colors because I got it in red too. And then I got the Zuni bear in all 4 colors too. Isn't that cute? A little brown one, ivory. So I got a pair of the ivory, 1 of the brown, 1 of the red, and a pair of the turquoise. So Those were really fun. Next I got these hexagons. I hadn't seen this shape before. They're bead frames. You don't have to use them like that. You can use them as a donut. You could just use them as a bead like this. So I thought those were neat. I might eventually make a kit out of these. I'm not sure. I got these little wavy magnesite spacers. Thought those were really cool in rainbow color. I got these hearts because I'm obsessed with hearts and I really, really love these. And I'm sad I left without getting them in turquoise because they were more expensive than the white. But next time I go back, I'll get them. And I got them in this beautiful red too. So I think I'm going to make some kind of kit with these, but I'm not 100% sure. Today is the 12th. My sale is in 3 days. I don't know if I have time to make more kits, but we'll see. If not, I think it's going to be a monthly thing I do, so maybe next month. I bought these really big Zuni bears, and I bought them to make pendants with for my sale. So these are bigger than the ones that I've shown that I've gotten from other people. Oh, here's my ruler. 1 second. Covered in other things. These are, I guess I could grab my caliper too. These are 1 inch wide, just over 1 inch wide, and about 3/4 inch tall. So I'm thinking for a pendant kit, I would include this bead, some kind of metal bead, another gemstone or acrylic or glass or something bead, and then maybe some crystals. And then it would be up to you to wire wrap it the way you wanted to. But anyway, so I think I got 2 strands of those. I did get 2 strands of those. I also got a large strand of just turquoise. And I'm going to do the same thing with those, I think. Or I might just sell pairs, I'm not sure. And then I got these little baby Zuni bears to make earring kits. And these are different. These have more veining on them. These don't. These are more matte. They're not matte, but they're just a little bit more matte. These are a little bit shinier and a little bit darker. So I got a couple strands of those. And then last but not least, I think this strand is acrylic, but I just loved it so much when I saw it in the store that I had to buy it. So it's graduated hishis. And they're like red, orange, and yellow swirled, marbled together. And I just really loved it. So anyway, oh, we have big goldy hair right there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you know anybody who likes beads. Let me know what your favorite things were. So from Bernie's Beads, this was definitely my favorite right here. And from Al's, these were my favorite. And actually, now that I'm looking at these, I love those two together. Ooh. And then all the Zuni bears were my favorite, actually. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. What's up, Snookums? Hi, are you in your cave? You've had a very eventful day of doing nothing. Yeah. Hi, I'm talking to you. Hello. We still need to get our nails clipped. Your uncle's gonna do it for you tomorrow. Yeah. Can't wait until that happens, right? Traumatizes you every time, huh? You just want a belly rub. You don't care, huh? Okay, I'll leave you alone, bud. Good night. Bye, everybody.